Hey, everybody. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Tuesday. So we're really excited to present to you our new trading partner and their platform that will allow our members to be able to take their trading journey a little bit farther. So let me give you a quick backstory, then we'll get right into it. So we were with our previous company for 8 years, and then we just kind of came across the realization that we just weren't quite getting enough, right? We are extremely grateful. We were able to help a lot of people, but we wanted a little bit more. And so this new platform, jifu, Jifu, which I believe stands for abundance. And for those that know me and our teammates, we call ourselves Team Abundance. So that kind of worked out perfectly. We just thought that we could get a little bit extra for our trading community. And the power of the impulse scanner and the creators of it are coming over with us. In fact, they're almost there. Okay. So we're really excited. And I wanted just to give a quick overview on the platform. This is really important because this is time sensitive. There is a 6 days left in a launch discount to come on board. Okay. So you want to reach me through all the social medias, wherever you're seeing this, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, private messenger, whatever it takes, reach me so you can get a special link so you can get in our community and save some money. Okay. So let me just delve right into the platform. Okay. So this is the front page. Once you log in, there you see me. All right. So here is what's really unique. Okay. Is under our old company, if you wanted a package on Forex or you wanted a package on crypto, those were two separate packages. If you wanted e-commerce, that's a separate. Social media, that's separate. It's all separate. Well, with this company, when you purchase a membership, you get it all. Yep. You get Forex, crypto, e-commerce, social media, mindset, fine. You get it all. Okay. Now, obviously, we're really focused on the Forex part, the crypto part. Okay. That's really our main focus. But if you dabble in these other things, and by the way, mindset, pretty important, okay, for trading, then this will be amazing for you. And the beauty of it is, under the old platform, the cost to buy one package and combine it with a couple packages is more than the monthly membership with this particular company. Okay. And send me information, send me a message, and I'll get you some information. All right. So the old company, you had to buy one, you had to buy two, you got a little bit of a discount, but it was still more than what this monthly membership is after the first payment as to what it will cost. Okay. You get all these, all of them. So absolutely fantastic. Okay. So let's delve in. We're going to go right to Forex because that's really what our specialty is. And as you can see, right, there's somebody live. One of the educators, Cedric Sabel, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, is live. Now, there's a beginning module, right? If you know nothing about trading and you know nothing, and by the way, when I started 8 years ago, I knew nothing. I didn't know what a candlestick was. I didn't know what Forex stood for. I knew nothing, okay? And because I know there's other things out there, and it's really easy to get distracted. The beauty of it is I found the right team at the right time, and I've never looked back. So if you know nothing about trading like I did when I started, we have modules that will walk you through the basics, right? An intermediate and an advanced, all right? Now, here are the educators. Now, for those that are part of our team now or used to be part of our team, you're going to see some familiar names here that used to be part of that platform and are now with this platform, okay? Kevin Serrano is one of them. Right? Jason Bonham is an excellent trader, right? Nick Engels, excellent. And of course, there it is, right? The impulse scanner. Not sure what it's going to be called yet. They might have a different name, but there they are, right? They're getting locked and loaded. And here's another one for those that are really like the smart money, Manny Q. They used to call him Smart Monix. That's what he calls his trading style based on smart money. He's over here. You can't beat it, can you? Okay. And this is their schedule. And you can tune in live or you get access to the recordings. Amazing. Okay. So now let me go, besides the economic news, right? Because that's very important to trading. Let me go right to the scanners. Okay. Now, keep in mind, the impulse scanner is still on its way over here, but they have 6 different potential scanners that you can learn. All right. Now, let me get the legalese out of the way, right? Not a financial guru. We always recommend learning on a demo account, right? Makes no sense trading on a live account if you haven't mastered the specific entry model that we teach, right? We teach a couple with the entry, with the impulse scanner. We also have smart money, right? So we always recommend a demo account, demo account, demo account. And then you will reach me if you're on my team once you've done a certain number of trades, and then that's how I can help you become a better trader, okay? So I had to get that out of the way, right? We want to be compliant. So here are the scanners. There's a gold scanner, all right? Just trades gold. And look at just gold just continue. It took a dip here. Let's see. This is the 30-minute and just keeps going, man. Gold is just amazing. Trend wave scanner. Now, this is not the impulse scanner, but it's definitely a scanner based on trade, all right? Then there's a smart scanner, right? Obviously, that would be based on smart money. Now, here's Manny Q, smart monics. There it is. And apparently, there's a 2.0 about to be released. So we're really, really excited. So a lot of our folks love smart monics. I've heard very good things about Kill Shot, all right? And again, I haven't personally delved too deep into Kill Shot yet. I have looked at the last one, Sniper Pro, and I really like it, okay? And of course, there's educators that match all these particular scanners. So that's the basics of the platform, all right? Keep in mind, you still get access to our Discord community. You still get access to our Q&As. You still get access to our private Facebook group, all right? We have special links for the next 6 days, to get in our platform and save some money, okay? And the monthly membership after the first month is exactly what you would have paid at the previous company. Or if you hadn't been with us at the previous company and you were looking to get on board an amazing team, then you want to reach me, all right? You can go to jeffcasmer.com to sign up. You can reach me on all the social medias here, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. What am I missing? YouTube, Reels. You'll have my information if you got additional questions, okay? That's about it. Let's rock and roll. 6 days remain, all right? Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.